ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? Today I have a fun IQ test. Just ራሳችንን እስቲ let's find out where we are. Okay. Alright. እና ጥያቄዎች አሉኝ። ጥያቄና መልስ አዘጋጅቻለሁ. As you see, I have a question and answers, so we can learn each other. So I am doing this in both language, like English and Amharic, because it kind of I can reach with the people who knows those language. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, hopefully you like it. And let's go to the question. I have number 1. It said, how many countries are there in the world? ስንት አገሮች አሉ በዓለም ዙሪያ? Okay, I have a choice 1. A is 195, B 197, C 204. So if you say 195, that's correct. Okay, I thought there was more than that, but we have only 195 countries. Alright, number 2, I have a question. What is the largest country in the world? ትልቁ በዓለማችን ትልቁ ሀገር የትኛው ነው? Okay, A is Canada, B Russia, C China. If you say Russia, that is correct. That is the one. And then number 3 is, I have a question. What is the currency of Ethiopia? የኢትዮጵያ ገንዘቡ ምን ይባላል ነው በአማርኛው? What is the currency of Ethiopia? I have A said yen, B ETB, C franc. So if you say ETB, that is correct. Ethiopian ብር ማለት ነው. So yeah, just I'm trying to connect with everyone with this kind of fun question sometime, so we can learn each other and have fun same time. Yeah, that's my hope. If you like it, please subscribe, share, like and comment, and I will appreciate that. So በሌላ ጊዜ ደግሞ በሌላ ጥያቄዎች እስከምንገናኝ መልካም ቀን. Have a lovely day. Bye.